With Valentine's Day coming up, I thought I'd make a heart-shaped window. I'm going to move this over. M to move. It's giving me trouble. So what can I do? I can press the left arrow key and it will move on the green axis. Tapping Control will move a copy. I'm going to group it so I can delete it later, but use this space to make my first square. I'm going to click and release, and that's about 3 feet. So I'm going to do a 4 foot by 4 foot square, and then selecting it, I'm going to rotate it. I want to rotate it right around the center, so I can use my guides. Using the tape measure, I can bring this over to 2 feet, and then I'll do the same from here for a 2 foot, so that I can center right in on there. I'm going to click on the center, create a handle, and rotate that around 90 degrees. It's helping me, but you could also type in 45. Now I'm going to use this square. Let me move it down a little bit, and I'll erase my guides as well. All right, so I did that so that I can use the A for arc tool. And I'm going to draw an arc from that point to that point. Let's see if it can help me find a regular. See how it snaps into half circle there? So I'm going to click here, and then move this out until I see half circle. Half circle. Now I can erase those two and I have a heart. So I'm going to take this and offset, bring it in some. Then I'm going to start dividing this part up. I'll start by dividing it down the middle, and then there are different points on this circle. It's not perfectly smooth, and so I'll go 2 up and do the same on this side. 1, 2. From there I'll do 1, 2 more. 1, 2. And maybe divide that one more time. That's 1, sorry. 2. And now we've got that. Now each of these needs to be offset. So using the offset tool, I'm going to click on one and bring it in. Let me select that just to make sure that I'm offsetting in the right place. And we don't want too much because then the sash will be way too big. That is 2 inches. That's about 1. Let's do 1 inch. Now I don't want to have to type that in so many times. So I'm going to deselect, then come back with my offset tool and just double click on each one of these. And now I can erase these lines. If I'm down here, I don't have to do too much. I'm just going to swipe across those lines. And here we go. So I'm going to push-pull each one of these out. I'll do 1 inch each time. Double click. The inner sash is there, so I'm going to bring that one out twice. And then this one, 1, 2, 3. And now I've got the shape here. And you could paint these different shades of pink or whatever else you might want for that.